Hey, Pay, where are we?
Ikea.
We're at the Ikea. What are we coming to Ikea for?
Dressers and breakfast, actually.
Breakfast and dressers? Gonna be the best in the world. You guys ready to have some fun?
After we're gonna get ice cream.
Oh, we are getting ice cream. Slow down. All right, first we go in the exit. So you go to the hot dog place and you get your soda. So you have a cup. Cup better than glass. Yeah. Hey, Pay, look back. Hey.
Daddy,
You gonna make it? Hey, look at me. Ah! Look at Audrey serving us up the breakfast. We got pancakes, we got everything. We even got some meatballs. Audrey, smile for me. Alright, here we are at the table. Everybody's spreading their jelly on their pancakes here. We got a side of meatballs. Look at that. Oh man. Best value.
My meatball.
Not even fast food, this is like almost like real food, right? Ikea? Is it good? What's your favorite? Meatballs?
Mine is
Audrey likes jelly?
Actually, no. My favorite is the butter.
Oh, so weird.
I ate my butter whole.
All this food less than 10 bucks. This is the bed you want, Pay?
Yes. I want this bed, but I like my bed too. I want this bed.
It's a pretty cool dresser. Why are you frowning, Pay?
Because I want the brown.
The brown doesn't go with anything in your room.
Yes, it does.
What color is your bed?
Gray,
What color is your walls?
green,
And
white.
lots of white.
I like this one though.
So wouldn't white go with it?
Yeah.
Yes. Audrey,
I want this one.
do you like them?
Yeah.
You get 2 of these? Show me what you put in there.
I would get 4 of these.
Audrey, come show me what you put in these.
What?
What would you put in there?
This one, underwear and socks. This one, shirts. This one, shorts and pants. This one, dresses and skirts.
Alright, we good?
I want the brown.
Hey, tell the truth. Are you bored right now?
Yes,
You're bored? Why?
because I want a black
I'm
one.
also bored.
But he won't get me a black one. He won't get me a white one.
I'm bored
Why are you bored, Audrey?
because there's nothing fun. Daddy, look how tiny it goes.
Little cup.
I put this inside of this.
Are you gonna bake when you get home?
Yeah.
We got our bookshelves. We got new plates. We got meatballs. We got jelly.
How many scoops I want to like?
Well, I want this many scoops too. Hey, what do you got there?
I want 1, 2,
Bookshelves,
3,
little
4,
bees
5,
on
6,
top.
7, 8. I want
Got
8.
new sports.
I want 8 scoops.
All right, we gotta scoot
Does
forward.
Audrey get one and I get one?
No, we don't need
Or
one.
like you?
We got pizza and ice cream. Audrey, smile.
See, it's spinning when I don't tell it to spin.
Audrey, smile. Hey, it's my song. Smile, Pay. What a good way to finish up our Ikea trip.